Hello everyone. Here are some of the tips to start a new business with knowledge of one. The first and biggest piece of information for anyone is nothing comes without an investment or knowledge, and it is no matter what you want to do is to use the minimum amount to invest in yourself. This will likely give you a highest return on investment. I am not talking about spending it all on the course, but use it towards good books and use it towards learning and taking seminars and taking some courses or classes and expanding your knowledge about what you want to do. Investing in yourself is a good idea no matter how much money you have, and could be the pinnacle of what will generally get you to the highest ROI. Secondly, for someone who wants to start a business, do invest that amount. You want to do something online but you don't have a capable of computer to do it. Use that money, figure out what you want to do and see how you can stretch your amount to make your business a reality. Even if it fails miserably and you lose your amount, it is a promise that it will be the best learning experience of lifetime. That amount mistake will be worth way more firsthand than any college class could ever teach you, and here are some books that one must read before starting a business. The Billionaire Real Estate Agent, Your Money or Your Life, How to Win Friends and Influence People, Think and Grow Rich, Awaken the Giant Within. Follow for more wealth related videos.